Yes, hello. This is Learning About Nature with Chris. So if you come over here, this here tree is a palmetto moon tree. It leaks moons. And that's why when you
Right
look
there.
at the sky,
The
there's
moons come out
tiny
right
moons. Yeah, there's one leaking right here. You see it? It's right there. And we'll take you down. Oh yeah, and this tree leaks these kind of moons. They look like tiny little tree nuts, but they're actually moons. So that's a moon for today. No, I will get to that. This here is a stick. This thing will help you through life in so many things. You could start a fire with it, and you could also start a fire with farts. Only if they're mine. This here is a leaf. You see, leaves are easy to break. They're not heavy like sticks, see? Break the leaf.
His nickname is Hercules.
It's an unbreakable leaf! Here you go.
Let me try.
Okay.
Sorry, I can't do it.
She's a
I-
dog. No way.
I weakened it for her. See, this here is a very big leaf. I don't even think a gorilla could eat this. So then you got like go through that pretty far. Can't even see it no more. This here is a pine cone.
Hold on, let's focus.
That there's a pine cone. Did you get a good shot on the pine cone? Okay, that there's a pine cone. And let's go over here to the pecan seeds. Oh yeah, all this, you should take a look. All this is bushes. Bushes. Just bushes everywhere.
Bushes everywhere.
Yeah. Alright. We got to some of the pecan seeds. This here is a pecan seed. Get a good shot on it, that way you can see. That's pecan seed. You see the pecan seed? Okay, good. Just make sure you get a real good shot on that. Yes. Pecan seed is very good. Oh yeah, come over here to the grass. The grass.
Hold on. Tell him what happened right there.
Oh yeah, right very in this spot. Move, little short. Right in this very spot is where, in John's vlog channel, you may have seen him sit in the bush right in this very spot. It's on the screen right now. This right here is a wasp nest. Just look at all the wasps. Look at all of them.
Can you show me what an ant looks like?
Oh yeah, come on up. First we need to find an ant. Oh yeah, and all the wasps coming out of them. Have you ever seen that many wasps?
You don't want to get bitten by wasps.
So what else? Oh yeah, these trees. I forgot to tell you what these are. The big pecan trees.
Yep, there sure are pecan trees.
Yeah.
You're right about that.
What are these?
These here, my friend, are the biggest grasses you can buy. See this thing? Indestructible. Like you can even put it in a fire and it still won't be eaten. This thing is pretty cool. We'll come back here in about
What about this?
5 days and it still won't be withered. Alright, let's come see what this stuff is right here. Alright, this right here is called concrete. It's a very good concrete. And come over here, I'll show you the wood. This is called wood. Right here. It's tough wood. Evan, punch it for me.
Alright.
I told you that almost. I think we need to take him to the EMT.
You're not.
It's taking me to my dad.
Well, I think just take him to his dad. His dad's a doctor.
What's this?
Yeah, let's take it over here to the benches. The bench is made out of concrete. I'm just kidding, it's not concrete, it's asphalt. You ever seen a bench made out of asphalt? You see it on the lot. There you go. Right here.
Pure
Made out
asphalt.
of pure asphalt, right there. And that'll be all for Learning Nature with Chris. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications. Make sure to even maybe consider liking my video. Maybe comment down below what nature you like the best. And yeah, Chris Vlog Channel signing off.